If you've struggled to stay consistent with habits, today we'll build a Notion habit tracker that actually helps. Simple checkboxes, a live progress ring, and an auto-generated daily page, so you just open Notion and tick things off. First, create an empty page. Give it a name and icon. I'll call this Habit Tracker. Click the add icon above the title and pick something you like. Type /table and choose Table View under the database heading. Name the database Habit Tracker, and make it hide for distraction-free. Now, add the number of rows you require, and in the first column, name it as Daily Habits, or you can name it as you want. Then, add Property, click plus, name it Date. Select Date. This lets each entry represent a specific day's habits. Now we'll add another property for checkbox property per habit. Click plus to add a property. Choose checkbox. Rename it to your habit, for example, Read. Click the property icon and search for an emoji, for example, a book. Repeat for each habit you want to track. I'll add gym, food, and more like this. Next, we'll calculate the % of habits completed and show it as a ring. Add a new property, Formula, name it Progress, then click Edit Formula. Convert each checkbox to a number with 2 number, add them, and divide by the number of habits. 2 number prop, read, plus 2 number prop, gym, plus 2 number prop, food, plus 2 number prop, topic and scripting, plus 2 number prop, shoot and editing, plus 2 number of property analytics, check divided by 6. Then set the number format to %. In the display, choose a ring and pick a color. Now when you tick checkboxes, the ring updates instantly. To avoid long decimals and show a neat 1 decimal place %, wrap with a rounding trick. Multiply by 1000, round, then divide by 1000. Tip: if you add more habits later, update the divisor. Next, we can also add filters to it. We can rename the default to today. Then, add a filter on date, is today. Optionally resize the progress column so the ring is prominent. This gives you a quick read on daily consistency. That's your Notion habit tracker. For more AA Notion tips, subscribe.